So here we divide 137 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 7. So it became 17. So 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take zero. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 137 divided by 2 we got 68 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.